Hi, I'm Brandon Kunkel from INTEK Technology Solutions, a certified partner for the Avigilon Alta security platform. In this quick video, I'm showing you exactly how to add and change your door schedules. Let's get started. Once we log into the web page, it's going to bring us to the dashboard. The dashboard is a good spot where you can just see recent activity, which activity will be anyone that unlocked the door or locked the door or any events with the system. But we're going to go over to the sites icon, click on entry schedules, and this is where we can edit the door schedules and what times we'd like them to be locked. So currently we have one that's in here for our business hours that we currently use. We're going to go ahead and create a new one for demo purposes. I'm just going to name it Demo, and then I'll hit Next. It'll auto-populate the name you put in, and then we can go here and select entries. Here we can choose which doors we want to control. So we can hit Demo Unit Door, Office Door, or maybe we just want to select one of the doors. Next, we'll just go down to the plus sign and add an event. We have two different types of events. We have repeating event or one-time event. We're just going to start with our normal hours here. So like our normal business hours, we're just going to name it normal hours. We want it to repeat weekly, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. These you can just check or uncheck depending on which days you want this to work. So maybe if you work a 4-day week, we can just have it do Monday, Thursday. We can have it start time, end time, our time zone, start date, and then we'll have it right here where it just never ends. So this will just keep on going until someone comes in here and manually changes something. Currently, if we left this how it is, convenience means the door will be locked, but allow for people to card through, type PIN codes in, or use their phone to unlock the door. Since these are our business hours and we want people to have full access, we're going to go ahead and click this and scroll down and choose unlocked. So now that this means is Monday through Thursday, 9 to 5, this door will be unlocked. Anybody will be able to access the building. So we're gonna go ahead and hit save. Now that we can see our schedule here on this entry, we're gonna go ahead and hit save again. And so now this will show up here as in our schedules. So if we wanted to change this schedule or add something to the schedule, we can go ahead and hit edit. Let's say we want to have a work party on Monday and we want the door to be locked, not unlocked. So we're going to go ahead and hit plus, add a new event. We're going to do one-time event. We'll go ahead and type work party in here. We're going to have it go on Monday, the 27th. The 27th, we're going to have it end. We're going to want the door locked 9 to 5. So we're going to keep this in convenient state because we do want the door to be locked, not unlocked. So no one's going to be at the office. We're going to be somewhere else. We want the door to be locked. So go ahead and hit save. So now it put the work party, which it did this correctly for us. It put the work party at the top, and that's going to mean it's going to take top priority. So whatever schedule that you have here at the top is the one that's going to take priority. So come Monday at 9 a.m., it's going to look down this schedule and it's going to see, oh, I'm supposed to be locked. So it's not going to worry about this normal hours one. It's going to ignore that until this one ends, and then it'll go back to this one. So after Monday at 5 p.m., it'll go back to the normal hour schedule. And then so Tuesday morning, it's going to unlock again at 9 a.m. Let's say work party got canceled, you don't want it to happen, you can just take the work party, drag it down, and now that this is below on the priority, this one is not gonna lock the door. Now we're gonna run on the normal hour schedule. So once you have this saved and how you want, then this is how the door is gonna act. See, we got a couple messages down there saying that, hey, yes, this did change and this is active. So we're gonna go ahead and hit save. We got a schedule saved successfully down there. And that's it, simple, secure access control. If you're a Des Moines area business looking to install or upgrade your camera and access control system, or if you just want a local partner to manage this for you, email us at info@intek.services or call us at 515-904-8990 to schedule a walkthrough. Thanks for watching.